Good morning, dear students. I am taking revision from chapter 6. Name of the chapter 6 is the bones and muscles. This is the revision second, and look at these two pictures. These two pictures you can see human body skeleton, and in this you can see that look at these two pictures. Look at these two pictures, and one of them shows the human body. This is the human body, this is the human body, and this is the skeleton, and other shows the human skeleton. This is the human skeleton, and if you press some parts of your body, you will feel certain hard structures inside and also something soft. Here when you have to press your body at any point, you will feel this hard structure, that is the bones or skeletal, and this is muscles, this is the soft structures, and the hard structures are bones. This is the bones. Hard structures are called the bones, and the soft parts around the bones is flesh, and the soft part around the bones is flesh, and the flesh is formed of the muscles. Thus our body is made up of bones and muscles. So we can say that our body is made up of bones and muscles both. Bones and muscles are covered with skin. Bones and muscles are covered with skin. The skeleton. All the bones of our body are joined together to make a framework. All the bones of our body are joined together to make a framework, and this framework of bones is called the skeleton, and this is the framework, and this framework of the bones you can see here in this mouth parts, and this is the different parts, and this is called the skeleton. This part is called the skeleton. And now what is the function of the skeleton? Why skeleton is important? Is because skeleton is give shape and support to our body, and without the skeleton we would not be able to stand upright. So this is the function of the skeletal system. Skeleton gives shape and support to our body, and without the skeleton we would not be able to stand straight. Bones provide support to our body and help to form our shape. Bones provide support to the body and help to form our shape. Bones are hard and stiff. As you know that bones are hard and stiff, and they protect the soft inner body parts. A human body has about 206 bones. How much bones? 206 bones in the body. Question is, how many bones are there in the human body? Then you have to write there are 206 bones in the human body. 206 bones in the human body. And bones are joined together at several places. Here also joints you can see clearly visible. Here this is the joints. The place where two or more bones are joined is called a joint. Here you can see that two or more bones are joined is called the joint. This place is called the joint, and these joints are very useful to us, and these joints are very useful to us, and this, if joints are not there, then you cannot bend your body at different places. So you can bend our body at different places. We must move our joints very carefully. A careless movement may cause an injury, and it may lead to a fracture or dislocation. So certain careless movements may cause an injury. It may lead to a fracture or dislocation. Muscles. What is the muscles? Our bones are covered with the muscle. This is the bones, and it is covered with the muscles, and the muscles when stressed become thin. When it is stressed it become thin, and long, and when they contract you can see that they become short and thick. And we have more than 600 muscles in our body. How many muscles in our body? Our body has 600 muscles there are 600 muscles in our body. Now bones and muscles work together. Bones and muscles work together so that our body moves. They help us sit, stand, walk, run, lie and work. So bones and muscles work together. Bones and muscles work together so that our body moves. They help us sit, stand, walk, run, lie and work. What have you learned? Human body is made up of bones and flesh. Muscles. Bones and muscles give shape to the body. There are 206 bones and 600 muscles in our body. Bones and muscles work together. Bones are different from one another. So in this chapter we will learn about the human body. Human body is, as we know that human body is made up of bones and muscles, that is bones and flesh, that is called the muscles. And bones and muscles, we know that it provides shape to the body. And 206 bones in the human body and 600 muscles in the human body. And bones and muscles work together. Bones are different from one another. More to know. Soft parts inside our body are called the organs. What is the organ? Just like organ, kidney, liver, these are the organs. The brain, lungs, heart, stomach, liver, intestine, kidney are important organs. And inside our body different types of organs are present, just like brain, lungs, heart, stomach, liver, intestine, kidney are important organs. And thigh bones in our body is the longest bone. Which one is the longest bone in the body? Thigh bone. Thigh bone is the longest bone in the human body. And bones are very strong, but they can break in a fall. If you fall, then it can be break. Doctors use X-ray photos to see if a bone is broken. Doctors use X-ray photos to see if a bone is broken. So this is the chapter 6, and I have taken revision. This is the revision second. So some questions are arising in this chapter, just like how many bones in the human body, and how many bones in the human body, and how many muscles in the human body. So answer is there are 206 bones in the human body, and there are 600 muscles in the human body. Which one is the longest bone? Thigh bone is the longest bone in the body. And what is the function of the skeletal system? Skeletal system provides shape to the body and form to the body. And now come to the worksheet 6. Fill in the blanks. The hard structures, first one, the hard structures inside our body are bones. Second, the flesh in the body is formed of muscles. The flesh in the body is formed of muscles. Third one, the framework of bones in the body is called skeleton. The framework of bones in the body is called skeleton. And fourth one, the place where two or more bones are joined is called a joint. And the muscles, when stressed, become thin and long. The muscles, when stressed, become thin and long. So this is fill in the blanks. And now tick the right word, tick the right answer. Our body is made up of bones and muscles. Our body is made up of bones and muscles. Human body has about 206 bones. 206 bones. These allow us to bend our body at different places. joints. These protect the soft organs inside our body, bones. Fifth one, the number of muscles in our body is more than 600. Till here you will take revision.